Please listen to this story very well. And I was working in the bank then, and one day they know me as the pastor. I started a fellowship in the bank. I told my boss, I said, let's come and pray for the bank. If you hate the bank, don't come. Let's come and pray for the bank. And we'll pray for the bank, and then we chip in the gospel to them. And one of them said, Pastor, if you have an interview now, what will you say? So I don't know what I will say, but when that time comes, we will know what to say. They said, you will tell us lies. I said, we don't tell lies. But I can also tell you what I will say now. The interview came. They invited me to come, and it happened to be a work day. And the question was, Lord, how will I do this? Lord, how will I handle this? I began to pray and meditate. How best do I go about this, Lord? And you know what happened? The eve of my test, so the day before, while I was thinking, Lord, how will I navigate this? What do I tell them? What I know I will go, but what do I tell them? Bam! While I was praying, hey, people of God, be prayerful. Prayer is not just communicating with God, it is moving the hands that move the world. A mail came into my boss's box that they needed him in Lagos immediately. I said, God, immediately. Quickly arranged himself, he moved. Then I went to my boss. Bros, you know that I know that you two, you are looking for a job. Me too, I'm looking for a job. They have invited me. So we arranged and I left. That was how God did the first one. The second one, still a work day. How do I navigate this again? And guess what happened? Again, God did it. They invited him for a meeting. But this time, it was in Port Harcourt. So I went. But this time, before I came back, he had come back. And the positioning of his table, you can't walk in and he will not see you. So as I came back, I saw him. I went to greet him. His eyes were red. He said, where did you go? I just knew I would not tell lies. But then the word of the Lord came to me. That's why you need to be full of scriptures. Bible says, as a lamb, it was led before the shearers. So he was dumb. So I was dumb. I didn't answer him a word. He asked again. I didn't answer. I just said, I was sorry. I said, sir, I am sorry. Then he said, I was told that you went to preach. I said, Lord, you already giving him an answer. I was told you went to preach. Say, I'm sorry, sir. During work hours, you went to do fellowship. I am sorry, sir. You must never do this again. Thank you, sir. Praise Jesus. That was how we navigated that. Your situation may not always be the same, but if you choose to stand with God, He will always make a way out.